Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the source and sampling data so you know what you're importing and why. Once done, map source fields to the target schema and create a staging table if you need transformations. Make sure to standardize dates and numeric types now and remove obvious header rows or encoding issues. Use a small test file or sample 101,000 rows to run an initial import command, validate results, and avoid large mistakes when you scale up. You'll now perform the detailed execution. Transform data to match types and constraints, then load in batches to limit locks and errors. Use transactions so you can roll back a failing batch and process batches in parallel if safe. Map columns explicitly in your import command and convert date formats during load. Make sure to disable non-essential indexes for speed and re-enable them afterwards. If you use copy or bulk insert, tune batch size and commit frequency for your server. You finish by validating counts, running integrity checks, and applying production constraints. Once counts and spot checks match, recreate indexes, add foreign keys, and run analyze or vacuum so the optimizer uses correct statistics. Grant necessary permissions and archive the source if required. If discrepancies appear, check the import log and isolate bad rows to an error table so you can correct and reprocess them. Quick tip: if imports fail, retry a single failing batch with detailed logging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.